My biggest fear was parent-teachers meeting. When your parents have to come to school, they collect like a report and them thing there. I remember one time my grandmother come to school because I was in a fight with a guy. And during the fight, him big and fat. I thought, well, like 7 me. Him gone way over there, so. And in order for the fight, in the most Jamaican fashion ever, he might beat me up, so I can't see the loss, and I throw the chair. And the chair lick him in his neck. So you know, him bleed and him have to go to hospital. So then carry my grandmother come to the school. Let me show you how my grandmother is no help to me at all to save the situation. We go in the room, you know. We are talk with the principal, and they talk about bullying. Apparently, the youth was a bully. So me, I play my case, say, yo, enough is enough. I'm tired. Me, did think, you know, my grandmother would have been like, yeah, man, you know, him go, all right. The first thing my grandmother said, she walk in, I don't know what I can do with him, you know. I don't know, you know, what I gonna do? Kick him out. I don't know. Me I say, hey, I mean right. What I do? Shh. So the principal explained to my grandmother, said, okay, they'll throw the chair in her neck now, and the person mother vex. So we are trying to explain to the person mother, say, him are the bully. So the person mother say, so if he's a bully, what does that make my son? My grandmother looked at him and said, that make your son a fucking idiot, because if they'll throw the chair from so far, him could have moved, but him so big. Him could have moved. No, I would recommend you give him something to eat. I would recommend a wash out. But I don't know what you want my grandson to do. I say, your grandma, I feel like, yeah, help me right now. No. It's not good. Remember when we used to like, because you know, like, nowadays you have people, dunce is a thing. Me was the definition of dunce, you know, like, there's like different levels of dunce. Me never used to go to school with like book in my back. Me just have like track shoes and them little things. That was the only thing I keep me in a high school, was just because I could run. One year, me have a report there, and I go sit down. I know every time my grandmother say, all right, what about a little one I know? Lady said, oh yes, so out of 44 boys, Dale came 43rd. My grandmother just start clap. Yes, amazing. Now she want to find the boy when I beat, for just beat him. Because she has, me not understand how you in a class and beat people, because I never hear you read yet. You never in your room just lock up and read a book or nothing like that. So I don't understand what take place here. So the way how me did grow is really how me turn out in terms of cooking. I learn how to cook by my own because me the man eat too much food. And that was always the biggest argument between me and my grandmother. Like, why me eat so much? What time me need to come in at the house? Who me need to talk to? So me just say, you know what? Me will just come out of that lady's house. And I suck up me got turn man. Because me didn't need to leave. But the greatest thing what me learn from my grandmother is discipline. You have to discipline. You have to be consistent in all the way I do. And some of the time you have to be delusional. Because she used to think me bright. Like she really did think me could have done my work. She always finished that sentence there at school. She said, and you can't do him work, you know. And I used to look at her and say, yo. I really can't do my work, you know. I don't think you understand what I'm going on to say. Because like me never used to try. Like me used to try. Like CXC and them little things that me used to try. Never work out. Never work out at all. This what me I do right now, the blessing. God save me. I swear.